Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, access array data with indexage. We can access the data inside array using indexage. Array indexage are written in the same bracket notation that strings use, except that instead of specifying a character, they are specifying an entry in the array. Like a strings, array use zero based indexing. So the first element in array has an index of 0. Example, here a variable array is defined which contains 50, 60 and 70 as values. So array in bracket notation we give 0, then it will give the output of 50, means it will return 50 if we were to return where data equal to array 1 will save value of 60 inside data variable. Note that there should not be any spaces between the array name and the square bracket, like array and then 0 in bracket notation. So there should not be any space. Although JavaScript is able to process this correctly, this may confuse other programmers reading your code. So we have to make sure to not give a space. The task for this challenge, create a variable called myData and set it to equal the first value of my array using bracket notation. Okay. MyData set it equal to the first value of my array. So where my data equal to my array in brackets, first value is at 0th index. So here run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.